with vice grips. And only about maybe a blade depth, maybe a little more, but I mean minimal. You can always cut more off. Notice the difference. Then your metal hook or your metal washer goes against the spring. And this is why this side always goes to the hook. Because when you go to put this on, that Allen wrench hole is accessible. On the inside, that Allen wrench hole is on this, you can't get to it because of the handle. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. You'd be trying to screw that down through the handle and it's not gonna happen. That's why the left and the right closing of the door is important to which side you start to this assembly. All right. Now, the catch assembly. I use the longest sheet metal screws with the pan heads and the catch. And these deep channel doors will take 5 of these spacers. So you eyeball, this is top side. This is always to the top on this door. If it's a butterfly door or a center pull door, we invert it. So, but this door takes this one, this way. And you're just getting underneath it to see where that's gonna line up and catch that hook. Centered. All right. I always put it in the middle of that slot so you have room to adjust up and down a little bit on that catch. Leave them like that, pull this back out. And you add your spacers. This usually always takes 5 spacers. Tighten that up. Let the door come to a close and see how you did. I did perfect. Just set the other one. Self-closing, self-latching.
That is it on a self-closing system on a vinyl door.
Single door.
Single door, vinyl. Thank you, John. Appreciate it very much.
Okay, now, knock off those two salt brackets and make that a window.